Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. 5 examinations every woman needs after 40 years. 40 years is the very milestone when various diseases may appear, especially those in which there is a genetic predisposition. To prevent this, take the time to do the 5 critical surveys. 1. Examination by a gynecologist, ultrasound of the pelvic organs. Even if young girls who do not have any complaints are advised to visit a gynecologist annually, women of mature age should do this at least twice a year. This approach will help identify the presence of neoplasms. Statistics are such that cervical cancer is detected more often in women after 35, so it is important to know as early as possible about a possible disease in order to start treatment on time and, therefore, have a better chance of a positive result. Remember that a routine examination by a gynecologist implies a preliminary collection of all the necessary tests. Sign up for an ultrasound of the pelvic organs, donate blood for tumor markers of the reproductive system, and then schedule a visit to the gynecologist. 2. Consultation with a mammologist, mammography. 5 to 6 years ago, breast cancer was named the most common cancer. Every 5th cancer-related death was attributed to breast cancer. The older the woman, unfortunately, the higher the likelihood that she will be diagnosed with this disease. For example, after 65 years of age, the risk of getting breast cancer increases 150 times compared to the age of 30. This is one of the most eloquent arguments why mammograms need to be done at least annually, if not more often. 3. Consultation of an endocrinologist, blood glucose test. Today on Earth, approximately 10% of people suffer from diabetes. Not only is this disease scary in itself, it's not for nothing that it is called AIDS of the 21st century. But it also causes serious damage to other life systems of the patient. Diabetics have an increased risk of strokes and heart attacks, blockage of blood vessels occurs, and vision decreases. Strengthens all the excess weight of a potential patient, smoking and eating foods rich in fast carbohydrates and saturated fats. If the combination of unhealthy lifestyle is about you, if you have a genetic predisposition to diabetes, you should periodically check your blood for high sugar and just make an appointment with an endocrinologist. From him you can find out what type of diabetes is most terrible for you, as well as if you have any abnormalities and risks associated with this disease. 4. Consultation with a cardiologist, ECG. High cholesterol, bad habits, lack of physical activity. All this can lead to the fact that the vital processes of the body begin to slow down. Most cardiovascular diseases can be prevented, or at least successfully treated, if detected early. Therefore, the list of doctors who are required to visit at least once a year must also include a cardiologist. 5. Densitometry. By the age of 40, a person's bone density decreases. In medicine this is called osteoporosis. He threatens to receive fractures and injuries. Due to the structural features of the body, women are prone to this disease 3 times more often than men. One of the most unpleasant consequences is a hip fracture. The main factors contributing to a decrease in bone density are tall or thin, as well as menopause and the use of hormonal contraceptives. A comprehensive examination aimed at determining the density of bone tissue will help to identify osteoporosis and a tendency to it. It is called densitometry. It is important to remember that densitometry is contraindicated during pregnancy or lactation. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.